Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In today's tutorial, I want to share with you how you can automatically create WooCommerce pages. So in order to run a functional WooCommerce website, you need to have the following pages: shop page, cart page, checkout page, my account page for your customers to log in and check their orders, and also refund and returns policy, which is by default is set to unpublished. So sometimes when you have installed WooCommerce or you take over a WooCommerce website, and when you go to pages, if you don't see this kind of pages like cart, checkout, my account, shop, if you don't see these critical pages, what you can do is that you can create them again in one of the WooCommerce settings. So today I'm going to teach you where you can find them. So go to WooCommerce and scroll down to status, click on that. So once you see WooCommerce status, you will see there's a tab called tools. So click on tools over here and scroll down, you will see there's a page. So this one, create default WooCommerce pages. So if you don't have those default WooCommerce pages, just click this button and WooCommerce will automatically create all these pages for you again. So once you have clicked on the button, you go back to pages and you should see pages like cart, checkout, my account, and also shop being created. So if you go to these respective pages, let's say I click on edit. For my case, because I'm using block theme, so I'm seeing this checkout block. So if you are using not a block theme, you will see a shortcode checkout inside here. So one of the last thing that you need to also make sure is that after you have automatically created the pages, you also need to make sure if they are point to the correct page. So let's go to the correct setting, WooCommerce settings. So once you click on WooCommerce setting, there's an advanced tab. Click on advanced. And once you click on advanced, make sure that the cart page is pointing to cart. Checkout is pointing to checkout. My account is pointing to my account. So this is the very important setting you must make sure so that your WooCommerce store will be functional. So I hope that you find this video tutorial useful. If you have any questions regarding WooCommerce, feel free to post in the comments area below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.